Hi, welcome to HR Quest. I'm Kaushik. Well, it's very important to know what exactly you want to do in your life. When it comes to going for an interview, a lot of hiring managers would be very keen to know from your end that what exactly is your career objective. To answer this question well, it is very important that you prepare this question well. And the best way to prepare is, first of all, you start understanding what kind of job roles you are going to offer your candidature for. It is often said that when you apply for any job, you should change your resume on the basis of what the company has been looking for. What you have been looking for would not interest the company much. Rather, if you can align what you have been looking for and what they have to offer, that will make more sense. So when you deal with this question, what is your career objective, you cannot give a kind of just open-ended answer that I want to be a successful manager and I want to do well in my life. This cannot be an answer. If you are applying for a sales and marketing job, then you need to also think that if the company has to offer the same role to you or not. So if you really want to grow in marketing, but the company has to offer any sales job, then you should frame your answers accordingly. You can answer to this question in this manner. If the job offering is in the areas of sales and you want to make your career in the areas of marketing, well, let's first of all understand sales is a part of marketing. Marketing is a broader perspective, sales is a part of it. So if you really want to respond to this question in the most appropriate manner, you can speak in this way. Well, sir, I would like to make my career in the areas of sales and marketing. I would be delighted if I get an opportunity to start meeting customers. I would like to be a team player. I would also like to get exposed to the frontline level of sales, because I believe that is the best way to get exposed to the customer. Because if I really want to do well in future and also would like to contribute in the areas of marketing, I really need to understand the process of sales and how exactly our company has been doing sales effectively. Because sales is the only way through which I can come in direct contact with the customers. And if I really start understanding my customers and consumers well, in the long term, not only in the areas of sales, I can contribute well in the areas of marketing as well to make strategies for the company, which can create a lot of value proposition for our prospective customer. Now, in this case, what you have done, your prime objective was to make your career in marketing, but the company is at this point in time offering a sales position. You cannot say that I have come for a marketing job and I am not interested for sales. If you really want to build your career, you need to create opportunities within the job. So if you know that your first step would be to take up a sales job at the frontline level, if you really want to grow in the areas of marketing, then you could have thought about this question way before coming to the interview. So if you are well prepared, if you know what the company has to offer, and if you also know that how you can shape up your career in the same organization, then it will be a wonderful display of your knowledge, your competencies, your skills, and what exactly the company has been looking for. So design your answer on the basis of what the job offers or demands, and then try to give them a strong reason that how do you think that this job role would help you to achieve what you really want to do in life, and also would like to give it back to the organization in a proper manner in the long run. So career objective is of course an open-ended question, but you cannot speak with general views. Rather be very specific and stick to the job requirement. To know more about such interview tips, you can always visit hrquest.com. Thank you.